Charcoal press is mainly divided into mechanical transmission type and fluid transmission type. Mechanical transmission type A, friction press that transmits power and motion by friction between parts. The press that transmits power or motion by engaging the driver with the follower or by engaging the middleware. Fluid transmission types include hydraulic transmission and gas transmission. Hydraulic transmission type is divided into hydraulic press and hydraulic press. Pneumatic transmission type is pneumatic press. Charcoal press. According to different uses, there are a variety of professional models, such as metal chip press, sponge iron press, straw press, iron fine powder press, etc., suitable for granular materials, powder, block and other raw materials, widely used in pharmaceutical, chemical, smelting, construction, and other industries.